Hi, I'm Alyssa Hyden, and today I'm going to be demonstrating on how to make an ice cream sundae candle. These things are very cute, and even if you don't light the ice cream candle, you can still keep them as a decoration, or good as a gift. These things can also keep your room smelling delicious. The things you will need for this ice cream sundae candle DIY is a glass ice cream container, tapered candles, scented wax cubes like vanilla sugar, crayons, a penny and a candle wick, some all-around kitchen utensils, sprinkles for the decorations, hot glue gun and glue sticks. Okay, so you want to take your tapered candle. After you take all the wrapper off of it, there's a little metal thing right here that's holding the wick. You want to take it out of the candle and place this in your microwavable dish to go in the microwave until it's fully melted, probably 5 minutes or longer if needed. You'll also need to take a wax cube, break it off, and put it in here also while it's melting. When your wax is melting in the microwave, you want to take your glass ice cream container that you're using, a penny, your wick, a pencil, your hot glue gun, and glue sticks, and then you just want to glue the penny to the base of the ice cream container. Like this. And make sure it's good and secure. Use a pencil to press down harder if it's too hot. Then, take your wick and glue it to the penny. Like that. Then you let it dry, and it should be good. Now that your wax is all melted and stirred, you just want to take 3 cups and pick 3 colors of your choices for 3 layers. So in this cup, I got yellow, a yellow crayon, a pink crayon, and an orange crayon. I'm just going to pour some of the wax in there to divide it into 3 layers for my candle. So I'm taking the spoon out. I think that will be enough for 1 layer. And then this will be enough for the next layer. Then I'll have to go melt some more wax and then do this layer. You do want to stir your crayon and your wax mixture, and this is going to be my bottom layer. So I'm taking this cup and I'm pouring it in for a 3rd layer, and I'm holding the wick up. I think that will be enough. You want to take your pencil and wrap the wick around it so the wick stays in place, and you're going to want to let that dry. Now that I melted my pink wax and stirred it, I'm going to now pour it into my dry yellow, pour it on top of there for a layer. And I'm just going to leave the pencil there, and I'm going to take this Pyrex cup to help since there's not a thing there. I have assistant. And now I'm just going to pour it in there. Now we're just going to let that dry. And when you have your wax, you want to let it air dry until it's nice and clumpy, and then you want to whisk it till it's also nice and clumpy, like this, till it's got a thick consistency. And then you just want to take you can use your fingers for this. This is what I do. Take your wick and stand it straight up, and then just wrap this all around it. It's okay if it gets a little messy, because more than likely it's gonna get messy. I have the wick sticking straight up, just in case we wanted to light it. Now we're going to take our sprinkles and place them on top of the candle. Like that, and just kind of press them in so they're long lasting. And then you just let that dry and you have your finished product. Thank you for watching this DIY Sundae candle. You can find more information on YouTube.